Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. To all my viewers and subscribers of Leytenia'S Kitchenette, thank you so much for always watching my premiere. I have here a very simple, healthy, yummy diet food. This is a stir-fry broccoli. Just simply clean your broccoli, slice it, and heat the pan and add cooking oil a little bit and stir fry the broccoli. When it is already cooked, you can put on the top your chicken steak. The chicken steak is separately cooked, okay? And you can add on the top bell pepper, okay? This chicken steak is marinated first with garlic powder, paprika powder, black pepper, with chicken, beef bouillon or beef powder, with oyster sauce, lemon juice, and a little bit of soy sauce. Then, when it is already marinated for 1 hour, I fry it back and forth. And when it is already cooked, set aside. And you can start to stir fry your broccoli. And then set aside also chopped onions, garlic, and bell pepper. Stir fry also the onions and garlic with your bell pepper. And add to the toppings of your chicken steak. So this is how it looks like. This is stir fry onions with garlic. Look at this, guys. This, so that it will be more yummy chicken steak. So this is my recipe for today. Stir fry broccoli with chicken breast steak. This is ideal for a healthy diet food. Eat more vegetables every day. You can live a healthy lifestyle without rice or without carbs. Just eat chicken steak or fish and eat vegetables every day in order to stabilize your blood sugar and your blood pressure, especially if you are already diabetic or a high blood person. So we must maintain to eat vegetables, low carbs, without rice, or you can eat rice just a little bit, maybe half cup or 1 cup, maybe once a week, but not every day, in order to slow down your blood sugar and your blood pressure. Avoid too much salt in your food. You can add chicken bouillon if you have already chicken bouillon, or a little bit of oyster sauce. So no need to add salt, rocky salt, or whatever refined salt, because that is already salty. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is my recipe for today. Healthy diet food, broccoli, stir fry broccoli with chicken breast steak, chicken steak. If you don't want to stir fry your broccoli, you can boil it and you can serve it like the same as this. Okay, if you don't want to fry the chicken, you can grill it in the oven to avoid fats, okay, to minimize the fats. So thank you for watching. This is Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Thanking you all for watching and supporting Leytenia'S Kitchenette. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. Bye-bye and see you in my next vlog of Bedesen. Terima kasih. Buat syukuya. Syukran jasilan. Maraming salamat. Eparesto puli. Bidang chichi. Buen gracias. Grazie. Merci beaucoup. And sayonara to everyone. Bon appetit.